Hey guys, it's a Pokemon collector here. In this video, I have two Pokemon blister packs that I bought at Target yesterday. So I'm gonna tell you what each blister includes. This blister contains one X and Y Fates Collide booster pack, one promo card featuring Ghastly or Panseer, and one Pokemon coin. Just read right here. And then this blister pack includes give your collection a boost. Get in on the latest Pokemon TCG action with 3 awesome booster packs from the new X and Y Breakpoint expansion. One of 2 special holographic Pokemon cards featuring Umbreon or Pyroar, and a cool Pokemon coin to add to your collection. So it includes a Black Star promo Umbreon card, a coin, and then 3 booster packs. Got the pack. So here's the Mega Gengar coin. So I'll put that over here. Then here's the Black Star promo holographic Ghastly card. Then here's the Fates Collide booster pack. So here's the Genesect coin that came with the blister pack. I'm just gonna leave those there. And then here's the Black Star promo Umbreon card. Really like this card. As you can see in the background, I have my Eevee Pokemon binder. Then here's 3 Breakpoint booster packs, all with